On the left bottom of your screen, under Global Preferences and Settings, you have an option called Layer Settings. When you click on it, the options and specifications of the existing layers open up in your design panel. By default, your default set of layers, which is provided by Infurnia, is always active and you can make any changes required over it. When you add any particular element in your drawing, let's say a wall, it is by default added to the walls layer. As you can see, I have selected this particular wall, and in the details panel, I can see that the layer is walls. Similarly, if I select any door, I can see that the layer is door. This is by default, it is allocated to the particular relevant layer. Secondly, if I want to make any change to which layer this particular door needs to go into, then I can click on the drop down menu next to doors and I can see the different layers that are available for me to add it to. Suppose I want to add it to hidden, then I can select the same and it will move into the layer hidden. Secondly, when you click on the layer settings option, you will see the different layers that are now active and in use in your drawing. When you click on the option on the left side of the layer name, you can change the visibility of the layer. Suppose I'm clicking for the walls layer, the visibility is turned off, and when I click again, the visibility is turned on. You can use this option for the ease of working as and when required. Secondly, if you want to add any new layer to your drawing, then you can click on the add layers option and a pop-up window opens wherein you have to insert the name that you want. Suppose I want to name this as toilet doors. I can also specify the line color that I want to use. Let's say I'm using red, and the thickness for the purpose of drawings. Let's say I'm using 15 mm and I can click on create. As you can see, another option called toilet doors is now created. So suppose if I'm selecting this particular door and I go into the drop down and I can add it to the toilet door option.